Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Previously, we saw that we had a fake out from this rising wedge pattern, and the price action after breaking down this support of the rising wedge re-entered this wedge. And we also saw that the price line also formed a harmonic bullish reversal bat move that I shared for my members at the Patreon, and I also shared with you as well. And I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis as well. And if you would like to support me here, then you can find the link I've shared in the video's description. Okay, this was a chart that I shared, and you can see that this was a perfect bat formation. And before this chart, I also shared another bat move that was, you can see this one. When the price line was completing this final leg, moved down in the potential reversal zone, and we had a very nice reversal. And the recent bat pattern was this one, when I told you on 18th of August that from here we can have a powerful bullish reversal. And after playing the chart, you can see that the price action reversed bullish, and so far it has rallied well. Now, if we watch this rising wedge pattern, then previously we had a fake out, and I told you that we are having now, previously we were having a bearish divergence, but from here, you can see that the RSI started forming lower lows and the price line was forming higher lows. Therefore, I told you that we are now having from here a bullish divergence, a hidden bullish divergence of the daily time frame. Therefore, this uptrend can be continued, and at the same time you can see that the price line is also using this EMA 10 and 21 both at the same time as a nice support. And every time it is using these levels, these two exponential moving averages as a support, it is starting the next rally towards the upside. And same the price action did here as well. After breaking down the support of the rising wedge, the price action went very close to this EMA 21 and did not even break down this EMA 10 as well. And now it is moving towards the upside. Now we have a very strong resistance of $50,000, and this uptrend line resistance of this rising wedge is still valid. And I believe that once the price line will be able to break out this resistance, it can also break out the $50,000 price level resistance as well. And if we take a look at the weekly chart, then we can see that we are having buying volume. But so far, if we take a look at this volume oscillator indicator, that is a very important indicator to measure the power of buying or selling. For example, previously we saw when we were having this sell, this oscillator was moving up, and we had you can watch the value here. We had the powerful value of 13.27 on the weekly time frame. That is very powerful value. And before that, we had the buying volume value with the with more than 10, and here more than 18. Therefore, we had a very nice rally. So far, this volume oscillator is moving in the negative territory. Once it will be moved above this positive territory, this line, I'm just going to place this trend line, the horizontal line here. It will be easy for you to watch it now. You can see that this is the line at 0 level, and above this we will have a positive territory. And once the price line will be this oscillator line will be moved above this positive territory, then we can have more powerful buying. And if we watch this directional movement index, this is the very powerful buying signal that has been appeared on the weekly time frame. We can see that previously we had this orange line above this blue line. This orange line is the negative directional index, and this blue line is the positive directional index. Whenever this blue line crosses up this orange line, that is buying signal like we have here. And whenever this orange line crosses up this blue line, that is a sell signal. And this ADX shows the power of buying or selling. For example, now we are having this blue line above the orange line. Now, once this ADX will be started moving up, that will be showing the power of bulls or buyers. Previously, it was showing here the power of sellers, and here it was showing the power of bulls or buyers. Now we need this ADX to move up from here, because we have this blue line above the orange line. And once this ADX will be started moving up, at this time you can see that it is continuously moving down. It is showing that the sell is now controlled, and the sell off is stopped now, and now we are having buying. And once it will be starting moving up from here, that will be a signal that now we are having a powerful buying. So we just need to wait for this ADX to move up, while this blue line should be above this orange line of this directional movement index. Like previously, we received this buying signal here, and we had a very nice rally after that. We also received the buying signal here as well, but after that we had the drop of March 2020, and I believe that this rally is the continuation of this signal. And before that, we received this signal here back in April 2019, and we had nice rally after that. Now we have received this very big buying signal, very powerful buying signal right now. Just few I think 2 weeks ago, we have received this buying signal on this candlestick, which was started on 9th of August. Now here, if I switch on this hourly time frame chart, then here we have another formation of the pattern which normally tends to break out, and that is the diamond pattern. You can see if I connect all these wicks of the candlesticks up to here, and if I connect these candlesticks, even you can see that it is breaking out right now while I'm just placing these trend lines. And from here we have this support of this diamond pattern, and this is another support of this diamond pattern. Now we have broken out this Bitcoin, this diamond pattern, and our target can be, the imminent target can be after this breakout. If I place it here at the breakout point, the imminent target can be $50,000. Now the price line has broken out this pattern, and we also have the resistance of the $50,000 on the daily time frame chart. There is a possibility now that the price action may break out this resistance of $50,000. And if it is working as a bull flag, like previously we had a bull flag indeed here as well, then if I place this trend line here and place it at the breakout point, and our next target can be $51,500. And right now you can see that the price line is breaking out this Bitcoin, this diamond pattern, and now it is possible that it will move down to retest the previous resistance of this diamond pattern as a support, and then we will have a next move towards the upside. However, this is a very small time frame chart. Normally the patterns on the bigger time frame can give us more confirmed signals. This is hourly time frame chart. We can expect that the price line will move above the $50,000 now. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon for more ideas, then you can follow the link I've shared in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.